OxyMBBS. One-step solution for all medical studies.
Hi friends, in this video I am going to tell you a very simple trick with the help of which you can easily remember the energy and protein recommended daily by our WHO. So according to our working lifestyle, there are three types of people. One is heavy working, second one is moderately working, and third one is sedentary working. For example, if a male or female running, then it comes under the heavy working. If walking, then moderately working, and if a person is sitting or in a sleeping position, then it is under the sedentary working lifestyle. So first I will tell you a very simple trick to remember the energy requirement for the moderately working male and female. Now friends, before watching this video further, if you have not watched video on mnemonic, that is codings for making mnemonic, then please watch this video, because this video is related to codings for numbers and numbers for alphabets. Okay, so here is a word moderately. Now take these four alphabets ODER from the moderately. So here is ODER. Now write this D before O, so it is D and O. And you can make pronunciation of D and O, do, number do. And now write number 2 4 times, 2, 2, 2, 2. It means approximately 2222 kilocalorie energy per day is required for the moderately working female. Now similarly, derive number 2 from the OD. So here is number 2. And the coding for E and R are number 3 and 4. For E, coding is number 3, and for R, it is number 4. And now add these two numbers 3 and 4, so it becomes number 7. Now bring this number 7 here after the number 2, so it becomes 27. Now write number 27 once again, so here is again number 27. And this much amount of energy is required for the moderately working male. It means approximately 2727 kilocalorie energy per day is required for the moderately working male. So from word moderately itself, you can derive number 2222 and 2727. Now coming to sedentary working lifestyle, take these four alphabets EDAN from the sedentary. So here is EDAN. Now write this alphabet D before the E, so it becomes D and E. And from D we can easily derive number 2. D means die, and die means number 2. And the coding for E is number 3. So it becomes number 23. Now write this number 23 again, so it becomes 2323. It means this much amount of energy is required for the sedentary working male. Now remember friends, capital E is having coding number 3, but small letter e do not have any number. Remember it, okay? Because capital E looks like number 3, and the pronunciation of A is similar to ek. And from N you can easily derive number 9. So from A it is number 1, and from N it is number 9. So it becomes number 19. Now after number 19, write 2 zeros. So it is approximately 1900 kilocalorie energy per day is required for the female. Now friends, for the heavy working male and female, just remember these two numbers. There is 2800 and 3500. So 3500 kilocalorie energy per day is required for the heavy working male, and 2800 kilocalorie energy per day is required for the female. Now friends, when heavy working female or moderately working or sedentary working female undergo pregnant, then during pregnancy 350 kilocalorie energy is required extra for the pregnant female. And now the pregnant woman of different lifestyle has given birth to a very beautiful baby. So this is newborn baby. And now if the mother is breastfeeding her baby for up to 6 months, then extra 600 kilocalorie energy per day is required. And this is baby of 6 months. And now further, mother is breastfeeding her baby from 6 months up to the 12 months or up to 1 year, then extra 520 kilocalorie energy per day is required for the lactating mother. And the newborn baby up to 6 months requires approximately 90 kilocalorie energy per kg body weight per day. It means if a baby is 4 kg weight, then baby requires 4 multiplied by 90 equal to 360 kilocalorie energy per day. And from 6 months up to 1 year, baby requires approximately 80 kilocalorie energy per kg body weight per day. Now friends, this number 6 in this 6 month will remind you this 600 kilocalorie per day for the lactating mother. And if we will rotate this number 6, then it becomes number 9. And this number 9 is related to number 90 kilocalorie energy per kg body weight per day. And this number 9 is also related to this extra amount of protein, that is approximately 19 gram per day protein extra is required for the lactating mother if she is breastfeeding her baby from birth up to the 6 months. And from number 6 we can easily derive 1.16 gram protein per kg body weight per day is required for the baby from birth up to the 6 months. So take this number 6 and write 1111 in front of the 6, so it becomes a 1.16 gram per kg body weight per day is required. So from number 6 we can derive 1.16, 90, 19 and 600. Now if we multiply number 16 into 4, then it becomes 64. So approximately 1.64 gram protein per kg body weight per day is required for the baby from 6 months up to 1 year. And as from birth up to 6 months, the metabolic rate is very high, that is why more amount of energy is required for the baby. But if baby grows further, so from 6 months up to 12, the metabolic rate decreases, that is why baby requires less amount of energy. And this is how much? It is approximately 80 kilocalorie energy per kg body weight per day is required. And after 12 what comes? Number 13. So this extra amount of protein is required for the mother who is breastfeeding her baby from 6 months up to 12. And during pregnancy, mother requires a very high amount of extra protein per day, and that is extra how much? It is 23 gram per day. It is because during pregnancy body parts of baby are formed, and as protein is building block for the body, that is why extra very high amount of protein required for the mother during pregnancy. But extra too much energy is not required, and it is only 350 kilocalorie per day, while during breastfeeding for making of breast milk a very high amount of energy is required. And because of this, from birth up to 6 months of age, mother has to synthesize a very high amount of breast milk, and because of this extra 600 kilocalorie energy per day is required. And then further from 6 months up to 12, energy plus protein requirement both decreases, and it is approximately 520 kilocalorie per day, and protein requirement extra is only 13 gram per day. So friends, this is very important for your PG entrance examination, because in your PG entrance examination directly MCQs comes during pregnancy how much extra energy is required. So it is 350 as it is question comes, okay. So it is very important. Now friends, in this table I have summarized all these things which we have discussed. So in this column, various age groups. In this column, lifestyle. In this column, energy, and here protein requirement. So different age groups, we have adult male, adult female, and infant. And different lifestyles are heavy working, moderately working, and sedentary working. And for female, it is pregnancy and also lactation up to 6 months, or it may extend from 6 months up to 1 year. Now friends, remember that the adult male requires approximately 60 gram protein per day and adult female requires approximately 55 grams per day. And you can remember it very simple. In the female, phi means 50, 55 or 5. So Fe in the female itself saying that I am number 55 or 55. So friends, heavy working male requires approximately 3500 kilocalorie energy per day. Moderately working male requires approximately 27 kilocalorie energy. Sedentary working male requires 23. Now coming to adult female, so heavy working female requires approximately 2800 kilocalorie energy per day. Moderately working female requires 22. Sedentary working 1900 kilocalorie energy per day. And during pregnancy, extra 350 kilocalorie energy per day. And the protein requirement is very high and it is approximately 23 extra protein. And during lactation from birth up to 6 months, it is extra amount of energy, that is 600 kilocalorie, and protein approximately 19 gram per day. And from 6 months up to 12 months of age, extra energy is 520 and extra protein is 13 gram per day. And now coming to infant, so from newborn up to 6 months of age, energy requirement is 90 kilocalorie energy per kg body weight per day, and protein requirement is 1.16 gram per kg body weight per day. And baby having age from 6 months up to 12 months requires only 80 kilocalorie energy per kg body weight per day, and protein requirement is 1.64 gram per kg body weight per day. Now friends, remember one very important point is that difference between the protein requirement in adult male and adult female is only of 5, while for the energy requirement the difference is approximately 500. If heavy working male requires 3500, then heavy working female will require approximately 2800 to 3000. If moderately working male requires 27 kilocalorie energy per day, so if we minimize 500 minus 500 from 27, then it comes for the moderately working female. So it is approximately 22 kilocalorie energy per day. And if for the sedentary working male it requires 23, then for the sedentary working female will require approximately 1900 kilocalorie energy per day. Now friends, just take a snapshot of this table, as this table is very important for your PG entrance exam.